Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Xauusd and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold Xauusd. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as we all know that there's not much volatility or activity going on in the market. Market is mostly silent, and right now market is standing at 2033. This week has started on a sleepy note. Let's hope for the best by the US session. And let's look at the market sentiment first. Gold prices steady as US inflation data looms. Gold prices were steady on Tuesday as investors awaited a key US inflation reading due later this week that could provide more information on how soon the Federal Reserve might begin cutting interest rates. And if you look at the economic calendar, you can see that today also we have news coming up during the US session. But this type of news, you cannot expect that there will be a complete trend reversal. But yes, there will be volatility, so you need to be careful. But the market will be more waiting mostly for the PCE data, which is coming on Friday. Sorry, Thursday. So my dear friends, be careful. And till then, we can expect that there will be a choppiness in our market. There may not be a complete craziness, complete unidirectional market. And if you look at a chart of US dollar index, we can still see that dollar index is under pressure. Dollar index has failed to cross the high of 104.20. And with the formation of lower highs, it seems that dollar index will be heading towards 103.40 very soon. And if it breaks 103.40, then obviously there will be more pressure and the no longer DXY will be in uptrend. It will be heading towards the next support of 103. Now let's wait and watch. Let's look at a chart of US government bond because US government bonds is bringing action on the chart of gold for the last 2-3 days. Yesterday when we made the video, government bond was standing here and I told you guys that market is in a critical level. Market is standing at FIBO 23.6. If market bounces, well and good. If market breaks the level, we will see further upside on gold. And market bounce from this year. You can see that after a good bounce, again market is showing signs of retracement. So if US government bond stays like this, if government bonds shows sideways nature, then there may not be much volatility in the market. But during the day, if you see a sudden drop on US government bonds, then the next support on a US government bond will be 4.150%. And if that happens, we will see good amount of upside on gold. Okay, and on the other hand, if you see a breakout on US government bonds because the overall trend is up, if that happens, then obviously we will see pressure on gold. So let's wait and watch. It's better to trade from level to level only. My dear friends, if you're tired of Telegram signals and you want to take your trading to the next level, then you can definitely check out chartprime.in. In our previous videos, we have seen how beautifully Chart Prime generates signals on the screen with the help of two powerful indicators, Prime Oscillator Pro and Market Oracle Pro. Today, I'll be showing you Market Dynamics Pro that helps you in your analysis. Market Dynamics Pro marks the highs and lows of the market so that you can understand in which direction the market is moving, as well as it also tells you that when there is a break of structure, when there is a change of character, so that you can understand the trend reversals and the characteristics of the market as well. You can check out the tutorials section. You will see a lot of strategies and learning videos so that you can understand how does the indicator performs best. Right now they are giving a 7 days money back guarantee, so you can just check out their website. If you feel that it will be helpful for you, you can just go with the monthly premium, and if you don't feel that it will be useful for you, you can just ask for the 7 days money back guarantee. But if it helps you, then obviously you can continue. Feel free to check out Chart Prime. The link will be in the description. And this is the chart of gold in front of us, and we can clearly see that not much to discuss because the levels that we have discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. Yesterday market came down to our first support of 2027, though it was not a precise bounce, but yes, our zone worked nicely. We got the bounce we have been waiting for, and we can see that gold is again showing a sideways nature. But one thing I have noticed in the morning is that gold is showing retracement, but gold has formed a lower high again. So if the same retracement continues, then this time 2027 may not work as a support, and it will be better for us to look for support around 2019. It can be 2020 around 2018. So today 2019 or around 2019 is the first support during the Asian session, as well as the European session. And by the US session also, if you do not see much volatility, then you can expect the market to take support around this area. And the second support on the chart of gold is still the same, which is 2013 to 2016. This is the second support. The first support is 2019, where we have buyers, and the second support, or the best support on the chart of gold, is around 2013 to 2016. So if you get the market around these two levels, switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes, observe the market behavior. If you see the market is taking support, we can go for a buy position. If you're watching my videos for the first time, then you must not be knowing why 2019. Then let me show you. At 2019, we have the FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and 2013 to 2016 is important because we have FIBO 50% retracement level as well as previous support around this area. And we can see that previously we had the 200 moving average around 2016 level, and right now it is moving up, and it will be around 2019-20. So 2019-20 is also a good level because it will be getting the dynamic support. And if market shoots up, then the resistances that we discuss are still the same. There's no point of discussing about 2062 to 2065. This is the best resistance on the chart of gold. On the daily chart also, we have seen that market has failed to cross the levels. That's why the immediate resistance is around 204852, or you can say in simple words that we have strong sellers present around this area. But right now market is far away, market doesn't have volatility, so chances of market going to that level are little bit less. And as we can see, the trend of the market is up. 2048, 2050 is a different thing. It's a psychological level. But at present, the trend of the market is up. So in this type of market situation, taking a sell at previous high is very risky. So if you're planning to take a sell around this area, be careful. I will not suggest this sell position because I know that many beginners also watch. But if you have the ample experience, if you want to take a sell, that's your personal choice. Okay, and as I always say, if risk is your middle name, okay, then yes, we have a level for you, that is 2038. If you love to take risk, if you know proper risk management, then you can look for a quick sell for 35 pips around 2037, 2038, precisely 2038. And this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. You can see the overall trend of the market may be up, but at present we can see a sideways type of market, and number of trading opportunities are very limited. So do not lose your patience, because my reference, it's better to wait and watch than to lose money in the market. Sometimes just to be in action, we just take a trade. Don't do that. Okay, we are traders, not gamblers. And my dear friends, as you guys already know, that the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again after 3 months, and I conduct this workshop in both Hindi and English language. I do not get much time, so I conduct these workshops thrice a year or max to max 4 times a year. So if you're struggling with the market, if you're unable to make money, and if you really like my work, then you can consider joining the workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You will find all the details on the website. This workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're struggling, then only join. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And at first, you'll see a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. Only 3 days left, and these are the topics that we will be dealing during the workshop: day 1, day 2, and day 3. And as I said, 1 month support. In the 1 month support, you will be receiving regular market updates on our WhatsApp group, regular Telegram communication with the other members. Yes, we have a community so that you can interact with them. It's a colorful community, it's a lively community. You will find traders from all around the world. These are the type of updates that you will be receiving on the WhatsApp group on day-to-day basis so that you can understand in which direction you should be proceeding. It's like analysis and lots of things. We also have regular market sessions, live sessions during the important events, many things. And this is how a Telegram community looks like. You'll find members from all around the world to ask questions, to share ideas. It's a live community. You can see only 3 days left for the English classes, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of March, and Hindi classes are starting from 8, 9, 10, and 11th. Due to time difference, many people cannot participate, so I record each and every session. The sessions are conducted over Google Meet, and the best part is that the fees, you can see it's only $15 or rupees 1000 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support, and these are the benefits that you'll be receiving. And as we all know that trading is a journey, it takes time. Sometimes 1 month is not enough. Actually, most of the time, in most of the cases, 1 month is not enough. In that case, you can also sign up for semi-annual or lifetime support, because you'll be also receiving personal sessions with me to ask questions, to clear doubts. You can see 3 days workshop with 6 month support is only $65 or rupees 4000, where you get all the benefits along with two personal sessions. And for lifetime, okay, if you like my work, if you want to stay in touch with me, then you can always sign up for lifetime. It's only $125 or rupees 8000. So you get here 6 personal sessions. These are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, you just send or share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will be adding you to the group, or you can also share over email, but yes, do mention your WhatsApp number so that I can add you to the group. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much.